In this guide, I'm gonna show you guys how to watch NFL Christmas games on Netflix. Let's get started. To watch, start by opening the Netflix app on your smart TV, streaming device, phone, tablet, or computer. Make sure you are signed in to an active Netflix account. From the Netflix home screen, use the search option and look for the NFL Christmas Game Day, or simply look for the live event when it appears on the Netflix home screen. Once you find the Christmas Game Day event, select the game you want to watch. You can watch Packers or Bears first and then switch to Bills versus Broncos for the second matchup. Netflix lists both games as live sports events for 2026. You don't need a separate NFL subscription just to access these Netflix streamed games. Simply use your eligible Netflix account and open the live event when it becomes available. If you're watching on a TV, you can use the Netflix app that's already installed on your smart TV or streaming device. And that's it. If this video was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.